Just a dream that I didn't think was possible. You know, when a little 5-year-old girl says, I want to go to space, that's not one thing I pursued because I didn't think it could ever happen.
You've wanted to do this for a long time. We're going to find out what all these different pieces of spaceflight are really like.
Yes, we're here for the science, but it's also a lifelong dream. And so my daughter was dressed up in an astronaut costume. She's 5. Watching it through her eyes, it brings it all home.
3, 2, 1, and fire.
Fire.
Okay, you are clear to unstrap.
Other handles pulled out. Welcome to space. Cabin approaching re-entry. Align with your seats.
Welcome back to Earth, our 10th space flight overall.